Hello everyone, this is Andrew from Tech Talk. Today I'm going to be showing you how to set up a passcode and Apple Pay on your iPhone. This continues our series on iPhone tech tutorials, so if you have any other questions about your iPhone, make sure to check out our other videos. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go into our settings, and once you're there, you'll see that you can scroll down. We're going to scroll down until we see Touch ID and Passcode. And we're going to scroll down and hit the button that says Turn Passcode On. Now I have some saved fingerprints. I'm going to keep that. Otherwise, it'll actually have you add your own fingerprints. It's going to ask me to enter a passcode. Now you can put a 6-digit passcode right there, or you can hit Passcode Options. That'll bring up these options. You can do a 4-digit numeric code, a custom numeric code, or a custom alphanumeric code. You're going to add your passcode. It'll have you verify that passcode. It'll have you put your password in, and then you'll hit continue. This will take a second for it to set your passcode up, so we'll just be patient while that happens. And you'll see that your passcode is all set. You will add your fingerprints for the Touch ID. That's a pretty self-explanatory process. You're just going to put your finger on the home button and it'll take the fingerprint. You can add up to 5 fingerprints, as you can see. Then you can make your settings here for the Touch ID to make sure that your Touch ID and passcode are doing exactly what you want them to. If you ever need to change your passcode, you can come there, or you can turn your passcode off. So that's how you turn Touch ID and passcode on. We're going to have to do that before Apple Pay, so make sure that you do that before you come and set up Apple Pay. Now we're going to go back to settings, and now we're going to scroll down to Wallet and Apple Pay. You're going to press that. You're going to add card. You'll press continue, and it'll have you put the information for your card in. Once you've followed those steps, that will automatically set that as your card. It'll activate the card and make sure that it's all set. And once you're all set, you can make sure that all your settings are here. And that's it. You've set up Wallet and Apple Pay, and also made sure that you have your Touch ID and passcode set. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, go ahead and hit that like button. Also, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our other videos on Tech Talk. Thanks, and have a great day.